how to find enable others to duet with my videos on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find enable others to duet with my video settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click the storylines in the top corner and then click settings, this one here, and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find this one here, and here you can manage it. As you see, you can turn it off or turn it on and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.